What's up guys, Cryptomindd here and welcome to a new video in this playlist / course. This is a question that I get asked too many times. When to exit my investments? When do I take my profits? Oh, please help me. And the answer to that can be relatively simple, but eventually, guys, remember that taking profits is up to your psychology and your emotions. Because it's not because you take profit that suddenly you take profit at the top. Certain coins or certain tokens, to say better, could still do an X2, could still suddenly do an X3, X5, X10. And what you're gonna feel FOMO and re-enter and eventually lose money. So first of all, exiting your investments when your wallet hits an all-time high or hits whatever number it is, you have to ask to yourself, in which stage of the cycle are we? Because prices will not go up forever. How much is my wallet up from where it initially started? Am I up extend 20, 30, 40, 50? Am I satisfied with this? And most likely the answer will be yes, you're satisfied, but what if you could have only a little bit more? And once you start to have that mindset, you're gonna ruin yourself. Do not have the mindset of, what if I could have a little bit more? What if my 110K could become 130K? Oh, that 20 extra K might make such a huge difference. I could pay my rent for 1 or 2 years or whatever it is. As European, again, as American, it works completely different, but as European, with 20K, you could do a lot. And definitely if you have a normal lifestyle. So do not create that mindset, first of all. That's my biggest tip. Now, for the rest, in terms of technical perspective, it comes down to a few simple core things. First of all, I need you to pay attention to the sticker right here. Bitcoin dominance, BTC, on TradingView. This is a very important one because this kind of shows you when the bull market for the altcoins will start and when the market is about to go against us again and starts a bear market again. And you can see this in the most simplistic way ever by paying attention to when this goes down. When Bitcoin dominance is going down, then we can be assured that in the cycle that we are right now, that altcoins will go up. So what do we need? We need a bullish Bitcoin, a bearish Bitcoin dominance, and then altcoins will go bullish as well. Very, very simple. So let me repeat this. Bullish on Bitcoin, bearish Bitcoin dominance equals bullish altcoins. It's a very, very simple game. Now, let me show you examples. If we go to my ranging tool right here, we started a good run, and this is back in the days, guys. This is one XRP was like a few cents and stuff like that. We had a good altcoin run for 133 days. And you can check this, by the way, back on the charts as well. I'm not going to do that whole research, but please feel free to check it on the charts and you will see that it aligns pretty perfectly. So 133 days of an altcoin run. 133 days, that's what? 4 months? 4 months altcoins running. And then what did we had? Let me delete. Then we had some upside momentum for, again, another 4 months or so. So altcoins are here slowly bleeding and correcting. And some might even be correcting 30, 40, 50%. To then eventually what? Still make a fucking crazy bull run. A last push where tokens are sent and last X2, 3, 4, whatever it might be that token does, in a matter of a month and a half. So in total, what did we had? From here on to here, 126 days roughly, and 42 days roughly. That's like what? 168 days in total of bullish momentum on altcoins. 168 days, guys, that's not a lot. That's like what, 5 months, something like that, more or less. 5 months of altcoins just being massively bullish. Then what did we have here? These were just small altcoin runs, and you can see that this is just super fast. This is like in a matter of a month. This is, well, very slow bullish momentum on altcoins. And here we had roughly for a year that altcoins were performing stable slash bullish as price of Bitcoin dominance still went down. Most altcoins started to consolidate or started to just still make new all-time highs. And then eventually what happened is bear market once again. This lasts 112 days. And then guess what? Very simple. A very fast bull market, guys. Very fast. Look, a matter of 3 or 4 months and the bull market for altcoins was done. In a matter of 3 or 4 months. It goes fast, guys. And this is what you have to understand. That once altcoins start to fly, like when it did here, it goes fast. 77 days. Small altcoin run. This is a small one. This is a big one. This is like small alt season. This is alt season, alt season, alt season, where altcoins just explode. Here we had one for 77 days more or less as well. A small alt season. So now, as we are here for Bitcoin dominance, we are expecting this to be hit, or we break down here and we start to descend lower towards here or towards here once again. And this is when altcoins will start to run. But you have to realize that once altcoins start to run, you have to take profits accordingly and use this as an indicator as well, and use key levels. Understand the key levels, but I will talk about that later in this course or playlist. But you have to understand that altcoin runs can go very fast. Definitely if they are major alt seasons like here, here, and here, they go very fast. And a lot of people think that it will go on for a year or so, but it doesn't. It really goes on for a few months only for altcoins. It's only Bitcoin and Ethereum that take their time to have pure bullish momentum. And the rest of the altcoins eventually just explode after them. Alright guys, see you in the next video.